Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to prepare a treatment that is going to get rid of dandruff from your scalp using 3 ingredients. This is fenugreek seed powder, and this is sandalwood powder. It smells nice. And this is whole milk. So these 3 ingredients together is going to fight any kind of dandruff from your scalp. It's going to soothe any irritation or itching on your scalp, and it's going to help promote the growth of your hair, keep your scalp and hair very healthy. If this is your first time stopping by this channel, click on the subscribe button below and turn on the bell icon so that you'll be notified when I upload new and useful videos just as this one on this channel. And if you find this video helpful and useful, share with your friends and loved ones and give us a huge thumbs up. So let's get started. The first ingredient we'll be needing for this remedy is whole milk. Whole milk is rich in active proteins that is going to help soothe your scalp. It's going to treat your scalp of any kind of damage already done to your scalp, maybe from chemicals through a shampoo and conditioner and relaxer, or maybe from rays, ultraviolet rays from the sun. The milk is going to help soothe your scalp and is going to promote the pH level of your scalp, and it's going to balance your scalp, keeping it healthy and strong. The next ingredient you'll be needing for this remedy is fenugreek seed powder. Fenugreek seed contains so many vitamins and minerals. Fenugreek seed is rich in antioxidants, antibacterial and antifungal properties. Fenugreek seed is going to help fight the irritation on your scalp, any kind of infection on your scalp. Fenugreek seed also contains properties that is going to help grow your hair. It's going to fight the itchiness and dandruff from your scalp. It's going to help rejuvenate your scalp, leaving it tender and refreshed. Fenugreek seed is going to treat your scalp of any kind of infection or inflammation. Fenugreek is going to help strengthen the strands of your hair, thereby stopping split ends and flaking. The next ingredient you'll be needing for this simple remedy is sandalwood powder. Sandalwood powder is very rich in antibacterial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties. Sandalwood powder is going to help keep your scalp hydrated and moisturized. Sandalwood powder is going to help rejuvenate your scalp and is going to help promote circulation of blood on your scalp, thereby giving way for a healthy hair growth. Sandalwood is going to get rid of all the dead skin cells on your scalp and is going to unclog the pores on your scalp, giving way for hairs to grow, and is going to help promote your hair by giving it that natural, shiny and beautiful glow, and it's going to help increase the depth and thickness of your hair and increase the length of your hair. To prepare this remedy, I'll need my bowl. To my bowl, I'll add one tablespoon of sandalwood, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed powder. I'll add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of the whole milk. 1, 2, 3, for 5. We'll stir it, and if the consistency is too thick, we'll still add more milk. So we'll add 2 more spoons, and if it's not enough, we'll continue adding more till we get the right consistency. That's 3 spoons. So we'll stir it all together. And if you have yogurt, you can substitute your milk for yogurt. The effect and benefit is all going to be the same. You still have a wonderful result at the end of the day. So our anti-dandruff hair mask is ready. Here is the consistency. To apply this, you partition your hair into tiny portions and massage this into your scalp, and make sure the strands of your hair gets a bit of it. Just try and reach every strand of your hair, just like the way I'm showing you right now. Just go through your whole head like this. Massage it into your scalp, your hair strands, and most especially the tips of your hair, so that it can stop it from splitting and breaking. Massage it into your scalp, massage for 5 minutes, and allow it to sit on you until it's completely dried. Then when it's dried, you wash it off with warm water. You repeat this remedy twice a week for 3 to 4 weeks for a better result. So we'll just go ahead and wash this off. And for the remains of your remedy, you store it in your fridge for not more than 10 days at most. 10 days. You realize a soft and smooth and very tender hair. Your hair is going to be soft, and this remedy is very good to repair any damage on your scalp. And if you're into the natural hair, so this remedy is very good for you to keep your hair healthy, soft, conditioned, and free from frizz and flaking. You use this remedy to keep your hair and scalp very healthy. So guys, this is it. I'm sure this video was helpful. Share with your friends and loved ones, and give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. And please try this at home and let me know your result in the comment section below. And to my next video, I'll see you all very soon.